Hello, I'm Captain Vile. Welcome back to Resident Evil 4. So, last episode, we bought a shotgun from... Now, again last episode, we named him Ari, like Resident Evil. But and near the end of the episode, I started calling him Artie, and I think that fits a little bit more because he feels like an Artie more than an Ari. I don't know. The T adds a bit if you ask me. So I guess it would be like Arthur, but like Artie. So he's not Ari, he's Artie. So I don't know. How you doing, Artie?
Got a selection of good things on sale.
Yeah, a few more. I don't think I can tune anything up. Yeah, no. I also noticed while editing, you can't see how much money we have. We've got $1,100, which is just short for the firepower upgrade, which is $1,500. No, that's 15,000. Wowza. That's pretty steep, Artie, but supply and demand, I suppose. Anywho. So he's set up shop in this underground cave. And we are going to probably have to fight it. It sounds like there's some huge monster. At the very base here. But let's see what we get from killing it. Wait a minute, can I kill the birds again? Yes, I can. I didn't even see these ones. Captain, this is animal cruelty. These things are paying for themselves. Look at that. That's several $1,000s that I wouldn't have gotten if I was a good person. 300. 4. 3. Look at this. Alright? Just murder to murder. And look at that. I just got $3,300 from that. I'm also going to be going to hell. But whatever, man. Spinel. How much is that worth? I don't think that's enough to sell. Where is this damn troll? I figured that would have lured it out. I just came from here. Oh, did I miss this door? Wait a minute. Hang on. No. I'm saving. And also, how far away is that? Where did I go through? Submission. There's all the... Did I miss a whole bunch of, like, medallions over there? Wowza. But there was an underground tunnel we crawled through earlier. Last episode. And it was... There was, like, jewels on the ceiling that I missed that I saw while editing. But anyway, I'd want to... Like, we're gonna save one more time, just because I don't want to miss... Or I don't want to lose these thousands of dollars. Okay, if you don't use the ladder, Leon. Alright. I'm sure I could probably could have sold the thing to Artie.
Got a selection.
Yes.
What are you selling?
Alright.
Is that all, stranger?
Alright, well, we've got... No.
Stranger?
Alright, well, we got 2,000 for that. So that's... Alright. We've got, 6,000. But it's not enough for the shotgun upgrade. This is what I want. Alright, now we can progress into the world and potentially lose our progress and cash. Even though I don't wanna. I'm surprised we didn't. What the hell is that? Oh, shotgun shells. Nifty! I see them show infrequently. I didn't recognize them. But now, so we're meant to have a shotgun at this point. If they're just handing it out. Maybe it's coded. What? Oh my god, not this Indiana Jones nonsense again. Skyrim bandits. And then the triggers. Okay. You guys are... Okay, well I remember they went to the rock store and got another one. Oh, hey, buddy. I thought that was a kid for a second. Wait, hang on. He's so short. Ooh, nifty. Jump down into the water? I don't want to do that. Are there fish down there? Well, there's that guy down there. And another trap. And another trap. You guys really love your sticks of dynamite. I can see you in here. Howdy. I'm trying to get him to fall backwards in the water. Probably not going to happen, though. I'll just shoot my ass. I should probably shoot at a more vital area, but whatever. He drops bullets. Shotgun shells. Okay, we're using the shotgun. What the hell is this? Oh, okay, I don't even have that. Oh, hello. Here. Does this smell like gunpowder? You are still alive. Not anymore. And we got shells for it. Net profit. Because I only used 2. Wait, no, I didn't. I think I used 3. Whatever, this thing rules. I love shotguns in video games. Well, there's a difference between jumping down and dropping down. Or walking down. Oh, you guys are quick! Ah, damn it. Ah, damn it, Leon. What does he got? He's got cash. They all got cash. Maybe that's why everything's so expensive. All these villagers have several $1,000s on them. Maybe this place has crazy inflation. Tio. Damn it. Oh! Now we have a deflect. Okay, hang on. Chicken egg. We're pretty low. I'm gonna eat that. We got that from a snake. Oh, that hits multiple. Okay, hang on. I'm not. No. We're not gonna waste all the shotgun ammo. As fun as it is to use, I have to be responsible. You are quick. Okay, nice try, hotshot. Where did that guy come from? Shut up, nerd. Wait, there's a snake over there. Ow. Okay, now I need a fish. We're gonna get all sorts of parasites now. Okay. Ow. Did I ever tell you that you are annoying? Oh, damn it. Oh, where are you guys coming from? Okay. Why is that guy not blinded? Kick his head into the mist. Alright, can you please die? You too, bowler hat. Actually, that's a beanie. Are there any fish in the water that I can kill? I know there's a snake. Where is that snake? It's gotta be here somewhere. I saw it slithering around. Seem to have gotten all the villagers at the very least. They are annoying. Oh no, there's a guy over there. There's treasure. Where? Well, down there, but like... There you are. Get away from me. What does you drop? The chicken eggs, of course. That's how they get the grenades. They're a special breed of snake that hatch a special breed of bird that hatch grenades. And there's another one. Damn it, they are quick. And small. I'm gonna waste a lot of ammo trying to kill this snake. Wait, what if I kill it with a knife? It's scared of me. Like it's running away from me instead of trying to kill me in self-defense. Oh, it scared me. Yeah, I've been hunting the animal population more than the damn villagers, so I'm not that surprised. I'm practically an invasive species in this place. Antique pipe. That must be a magpie's nest or something. Alright. Well, oh, there weren't any eggs in there. I could have had like a snack. Anyway. I got the snacks from the chicken. Oh, hello! That startled me. That actually did surprise me. I gotta get going. Fill this up. And go through. Yeah, I have to go through the swamp, don't I? The swamp's full of, like, C4 traps. Oh, can I not get up here? Oh, wait, no, never mind. I'm a moron. Here are the C4 traps. Man, you gotta work on your goddamn aim, man. Shut up, snitch. Little tattletale. Covering your hands, or your head, is not gonna work, buddy. This is a 9mm, not a BB gun. Anyone in the shed? Any snakes in the shed? Yeah. Brown chicken egg. Didn't realize. Well, yeah, no, like I've had chickens before. They lay like a variety of colors of eggs sometimes. Typically the same shades, though. You can't get away from me, you little rat. Well, I mean, they eat rats, but... Chicken egg. Killing more animals than villagers. Well, probably not. I think I'm up to, like... Last episode it was, like, 13, thanks to Honeybun's count. Let's see. What else is here? Okay, well, there's treasure down this way. So that's my top priority. On the ceiling? That's weird. Is there another snake in this damn box? No. Is that yellow? How are we doing on storage? Okay, rifle ammo, shotgun shells. It might actually be beneficial to use the shotgun a bit more, just to get rid of the shotgun shells. What does this do? With a green herb will increase your maximum health. Increase my maximum health, compared to what, by the way? What kind of serving size is that? That's awful. Oh. You can fall down an extra foot cliff. Alrighty. We are nearing. I was expecting a boss fight, truth be told, but I guess no such luck. Ooh, a boat. Did that tree just spawn? Fish! Come on. Where are you? There you are. Ha! Damn it. Hold still. What the? I just wanted the fish, man. Okay, it seems I've gotten some comeuppance for my rampant animal murder. Gee, a lot of help that extra health did. Okay, so there's a giant alligator, or that didn't even look like an alligator. Crikey, my it's just like a jump scare, but my heart's still pumping. Oh no, oh god, that's in the lake. That's in the lake. And I gotta... Oh man, that one, no. Oh, I was expecting a boss fight. That's our little introduction. I don't want, no, I'm not fighting that this episode. I'm not fighting the giant amphibian creature, because that didn't look like an alligator. Okay, what if I'm all the way over? I got an achievement for that too. I thought there was like don't shoot the water or don't shoot the wildlife. Can I get him from over? Hang on. What's the range? I can just reload. Eat this! Did I kill any of the fish? No. Okay, maybe I have to be on the dock. Okay, so it's cool with grenade because it thinks that the chickens are laying the grenades in the water. It's become accustomed to explosions, but gunshots. No animal shoots guns in this place, but they're familiar. This ecosystem is based around grenades. They're accustomed to them. That's why it was the gunshots that set off that giant monster. Okay. I gotta load to get my stuff back. No, it's this one. So, we'll cross the lake guarded by... Wait, hang on. One moment. Nation log, about medallions, chief's note, close chief notes? Live, chance, party, surface. I swear, closure of the church? Or the girl, execute... Ah! Delago has been awakened by our lord. No one will... So that's Delago. I wonder what that means. Okay, interesting end of the episode. It kind of peters out with me throwing grenades at an amphibian, or trying to at least, but that's Resident Evil for you. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.
Stay tuned to Gotham FM.